Kwan, and I'm the course instructor for CIV102. CIV102 is a structures and materials course taught to first-year engineering science students over here. And today we're doing the testing of one of their term projects, where we ask the students to design and then build a cardboard bridge, which we then load to failure under this apparatus that you can see over here. So students are tasked with applying the theory to figure out, when does this thing actually fail, how much load can it carry, and explain to us why it will fail and how it's going to do so. We first test it underneath the train. We take 3 heavy steel trains and move them over. And that's quite a severe test on these cardboard bridges. Ask them to carry about 40 kilograms of force as it moves along from one side to the other. For the teams that do make it, and approximately 2/3 of the teams are able to build a bridge that's strong enough to carry that train, we then test it in this machine over here, which applies loads at this position as well as over here. And then we basically test until it fails. I think in earlier sessions this week, we saw some really spectacular structures that the students came up with. The best one that we've seen so far was able to carry a total force of 1,710 newtons. Think of the weight of 2 people, and then the strength-weight ratio of that bridge that set that record. Basically, the ratio of how much force it could carry divided by how heavy the bridge was well over 200. So these students are coming up with really excellent designs that are both well designed as well as well built, and as you can see here, quite artistic sometimes when they're actually building it.